Well, good morning, Yuriki. In case you don't know, my name is Yuri, and I am making and posting these videos for myself as well as anyone else that might find this content useful. People that watch my videos every day can skip roughly into about 2 minutes 30 seconds into the video if you want to miss the intro section of this video, or you can skip roughly into about 5 minutes if you want to miss the intro section and the evaluation of the prediction that I made yesterday. Everything else after that is basically will be a prediction of what I am expecting that will happen today. For people that is watching my video for the first time, I basically started making these videos because I could not find the content that I personally was looking for in a Bitcoin YouTube prediction video in roughly about 10 minutes or less. Because I spent hours and hours of watching sub prediction videos, subscribe to five or more channels. And I want a simple video. I want a straight to the point video that will tell me in what direction the price is likely to go today. I want to know what I should do if it does not go into that direction. I want to know where I should long, where I should short, at what price, and I would like to make profit on every 4 hour candle as far as that is possible. I do not want a video that tells me that the price might go up or it might go down. There's a possibility that this is going to happen. There's also a possibility that that is going to happen. I want to see a video where someone will take responsibility for the wrong information that they conveyed and the wrong predictions that was made. Now, with all of that said and done, Yuriki, and with the understanding that this is not financial advice, I cannot be held accountable or responsible for any of this content, which is all my own opinion and own views. Let's jump straight into what happened yesterday and on your prediction for yesterday. It was more or less the same time as it was this morning. Time currently this morning is 26 minutes past 4 in the morning. I'm making these videos from the Eastern Cape of South Africa. At that time, when I made the video, Yuriki, where you drew this pink line over here, price at that stage was 43,140. Um, it was roughly about over here. And I said that 5 minutes 40 seconds into the video, I said normally that after a break like this one that we've just had, we do get a retest of the line below, which will be this line over here. So I'm expecting that the price from the 43,140 would come down and it would touch this area of 42,440. It went down a little bit lower than I expected, but still, again, I said it's going to go down, and it did go down from 34,140. Let's call it 34,100. The lowest that it came down to yesterday was 41,800. So that is what, like $1,300 price range prediction that was 100% correct. From there, if you longed from the bottom 41,800, you'll currently be in about a 300, well, about a $500 profit. Yuriki, what did you do on your own one? Exactly like I said, I did short 150. Price came down. I took profit on this one at about 41,900. Again, wonderful, fantastic trade. I'm really hoping that someone did see my content for yesterday. I'm really hoping that someone did take the trade with me and that they made some money. If you did, please leave a like. It will be really nice. I do not open my videos for comments, um, simply because I don't open myself to negativity in my life. It's my opinion, my view, and you can do with it whatever you want. So, Yurikin, let's round that up. You have now made your track record is now that you have made 71 videos in total. 51 of those videos was correct, or the predictions was correct. 8 of the predictions was neutral, where the price was basically the same as at the time when I made the video the previous day. And 12 of my predictions was wrong. That gives me this morning an 83.09% correct prediction rating or percentage on the videos that I'm making. So what do I expect is going to happen today? Well, right off the bat, I do see I see a lot of upwards and downwards movement, which gives me the impression that there is a lot of undecisiveness in the market. I do see some strength though, simply because for the last good 8 hours or so, the price has sort of been stagnant and ranging about around about the 42 300, 42 200 mark. And from the triangles that I've drawn this morning, I can currently see that we are in two triangle formations, and both of them is showing me that the price is going to go up today. Um, uh, what I would do on my own personal trade for today is currently price is 42. Let's call it 42 350. Um, I'm going to put in a long at 42 350, and just like with every other trade that I do enter, I never ever enter a trade with everything that I've got at my disposal. If my account balance is $200, I will only use $100 of that, so that if my position that I enter here is incorrect, I still have the ability to enter or add to that long or short another 19 times. So I want to be able to add for every $100 that the price, for example, for today, I'm going to go long, and for every $100 that the price goes below 42 350, I will then add to that position. That will give me a chance to, because every time that you do enter or add to your position, it changes your entry level, and that gives you a better chance to go out in a take profit or just to break even, which is exactly what I'm looking for. And I do not want to lose money. So again, never ever enter a position with everything that you've got at your disposal. That has been one of the biggest things that I had to learn, and one of the most difficult things that I've had to learn is patience. Um, when the price goes up, again, as I say, both of the lines or both of my triangles this morning is showing me that the price could go up. From what I can see, it looks like it could go up to about 44 200. That is my prediction for today. That is what I have got. Apologies for that. That is what I can see. I do think that for every $100 that the price does go up above 43 350, I'm gonna keep my take profits very tight. Again, same as with the bottom. I'll For every $100 that the price does go into a profit, I'm gonna put in a take profit, simply because in the next couple of days or so, I can see that we are now at the bottom of another triangle formation, which gives me a different price range, which will tell me that the price eventually is going to come down, and it would come down and test more or less this area of 40,600. So I'm going to keep it really tight. um, what I can see, or what I am sort of predicting at this stage, is that price currently will go up, probably go up to about 44 150, and from there I'm expecting it to come down, and I'm at least expecting it to come down to about 40,700. Although that I don't see that happening today. That will only be like in about 2 days time, where I can more or less see something like that happening. You know, again, to round it off, always do your own research. Trust yourself in what you see. Draw your own triangles. Trust your triangles. Trade the lines that you've drawn, and have a wonderful day.